Welcome to Westgate Chevrolet. Today we're taking a quick look at some of the interior and exterior features on our 2017 GMC Sierra. This vehicle is featured in the all-terrain trim with blue metallic paint and alloy rims. We have running boards, four-wheel drive, V8 engine, full-line truck bed, heated seats and steering wheel, as well as backup camera, navigation, and sunroof. Now moving on to the interior of the Sierra, we can see our memory seat option, chrome door handle, window and mirror controls with power mirror fold-in, Bose speaker, and storage. We'll see throughout the vehicle this carbon fiber-esque trim we have. Off to the left of the steering wheel we have our trailering mode as well as four-wheel drive and lighting controls. Gauge cluster with screen. You can see our all-terrain badging in the tack. Our steering wheel wrapped in black leather with cruise control and our heated steering wheel option on the steering wheel. Front seats featured in black leather, again with that carbon fiber-esque trim. They're heated seats. Power adjustable with lumbar support as well. Then our padded leather center console lid with a wireless charging pad, two cup holders, storage, and charging outlets. Then we have controls to the vehicle. You can see our heated seat options to the side there, dual zone climate controls, CD player, and a radio with navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and backup camera. OnStar controls in the rear view mirror, and a sunroof and moonroof overhead. Now back onto the exterior of the vehicle, we can see our alloy rims with GMC badge center caps, all-terrain badging, black metallic mirror caps and paint matched door handles, our running boards. Around to the back of the vehicle, we have a paint matched rear bumper with bumper steps, hitch, all-terrain and GMC badging, and then our full-line truck bed with GMC badging at the front. Now on the rear interior of the vehicle, we can see our chrome door handle, window switch, as well as our speaker and storage. Back of the front seats, we have leather magazine holders. Back of the center console area, we have storage and a charging outlet. Our rear seats with fold-down center seat featuring two cup holders inside. Thank you for joining me for this video walk around of the 2017 GMC Sierra. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more daily videos, and we hope to see you in at Westgate Chevrolet sometime very soon.